Hello, my dear friends. Today, our topic is financial market and overview. Means we just going to discuss about the meaning and concept of the financial market. What is the financial market? How it is differ from the commodity market? What are the types of the market? And what are the role of investors? What are the role of uh, issuers, what are the how to mobilize the saving, how to channelize the saving like that. Firstly, I would like to discuss about what is the financial market. Financial market, it is the platform where buyers and sellers trade financial asset. It include money market and capital market. Money market are those market there is the transaction of money for the short period of times. And capital market are those market where the transaction of the money for the long period of time. And it helps in price discovery, meet out the problem of liquidity, and also help in capital formation. And capital formation, it is very essential for the business activities, and business activities, it is again essential for the economic growth. It means कि capital formation, it is very helpful, it is very fruitful for economic growth. Without the capital formation, we are not able to do any economic activities. So in this way, capital formation, it is very important. It has a significant role in economic growth. And the key for the financial market, it means it helps in the economic growth and also help in the mobilization of the resources, not only the mobilization of the resources, but also help in the allocation of the resources. It means कि financial market right now plays a very important role. It is very organized market. It is open for the 24 into 7 hours. It is the platform for the transactions or trade between the buyers and sellers of the financial asset like this. Next very important thing is that what are the types of the financial market? Broadly, there are two types of the financial market, but I have discussed five types of the market, like the capital market, money market, derivative market, forex market, and commodity market. Capital market are those market where the transaction of the asset, transaction of the resources, transaction of the uh, anything in the form of finance for the long period of times. It is known as the capital market, like the stock and bonds. Capital market plays a very important role in the case of raise the fund for the economic activities, or we can say for the business activities. And money market, it is just opposite of the capital market if there is the transaction of the asset for the short period of time, that is known as the money market, like the debt instrument, like the treasury bills, like the promissory notes. These are come under the money market. And money market, it is help to meet out the liquidity crisis. It means कि there is the main difference between capital market and money market. कि capital market raise the fund, it helps in the raise the fund, and money market, it helps to meet out the liquidity crisis. And next type of market, that is the derivative market. Derivative market, it itself tells us कि the market is derived from the another market. It is derivative market. like the transaction for the futures. If you decide and determine the price of equity, price of bonds for the future options and swap, these are come under the derivative market. And next very important market, that is the forex market. It means where there is the determination of the exchange rate in between two country, more than two country, on the basis of future options, on the basis of spot, on the basis of current, like these are come under the forex market. And commodity market, it is also known as the unorganized market, where there is the buying and selling of the raw materials like the vegetables. These are come under the commodity market. I hope all of you are uh, getting my point regarding the different types of the market, like the capital market, money market, derivative market, forex market, and commodity market. The next is that what are the organized financial market? Organized financial market, if any market that are regulated by RBI, that are regulated by SEBI, means Security Exchange Board of India, that are regulated by IRDAI, means Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, these type of market, it is known as organized market. It includes under the organized market those who are supervised and regulated by RBI, SEBI, and IRDA. These are come under like the banks, include banks, stock exchange, insurance companies. And there is highly transparency and compliance driven structures, efficient market instrument and infrastructure. But in the case of unorganized market, commodity market, it is the good example of unorganized market. There is no regulation body, means there is no transparency. Price is not determined and regulated by RBI, SEBI, and IRDA, IRDAI or other agencies, but the price is determined through the condition of supply and demand. That's why commodity market, it is known as unorganized market. But capital market, money market, for forex exchange market, and derivative market, these are come under the organized market. Next, what are the importance of the financial market? With the help of financial market, we are able to mobilize the saving for the investment, because financial market encourage to the investors. Means those person who make the saving, those person who want to purchase the securities, they are known as the investors. With the help of financial market, it encourage to the small uh, investors to deposit their money in the financial market. In this way, there is start to mobilizing the saving. And if there is start to the mobilizing the saving, it means ki all the small saving deposit one place, that is known as the financial market, and it become a big amount. After the become the big amount, we are able to invest elsewhere. It means कि after the mobilization of saving, it means कि financial market not only play the important role in the mobilization of saving, but also help in channelizing in the investment. And next, very important, if there is start to the investment, automatically it is very clear that is the capital formation. And next, very important, support monetary policy implementations. With the help of financial market, we are able to implement and execute the monetary policy. Like the in the case of inflation, there is need to the control the supply of money through the increase in CRR, SLR, uh, moral suasions like that. In the case of uh, deflation, there is need to the cut down in the bank rate, SLR, CRR, and repo rate like that. And next is enhance liquidity and financial inclusion. With the help of financial market, if there is the mobilization of saving, it means that there is increase in the liquidity. It and enhancing in liquidity, it is necessary to meet out the problem, to sort out the problem of uh, liquidity problems. And also with the help of financial market, if financial market promote or advertise about the different types of bond, debenture, securities like that, so it means कि more person are include in the financial market with the help of financial literacy program, with the help of Jan Dhan Yojana like that. And next one is contribute to the economic growth. These are the some importance of the financial market. At the last, I would like to conclude my lecture. Financial market are vital for the economic growth. The channel fund from the saver to the investors, support financial system stability and growth, need strong regulation for efficiency and trust. Thank you.